Jai Srimanarayana. 63rd sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Iti te jnanam akshyatam guhyat guhyataram maya vimrusya etat aseshena yadhechasi tadha kuru. Om. Do not do what you want to do, but do what Sri Krishna Paramatma wants you to do. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall definitely do what you wants me to do. Ho Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kasyapa Prajapati teaching Payovratam to Aditi. In that process he is saying, O Aditi, while doing this vratam, Karayet tat kathabhihi stutibhihi. Every day you have to listen to Paramatma's stories and you have to sing the divine qualities of Paramatma. Etat payovratam nama purusha aradhanam param. This payovratam is such a wonderful vratam to please Sriman Narayana. This vratam is taught to me by my grandfather Chaturmukha Brahma. Now I am teaching the same vratam to you. O Aditi, samyak chirnena kesavam bhaja. Do this vratam with all kind of observations and worship Sriman Narayana Kesava. This Payovratam is also known as Sarva Yajnam. That means if you do this Payovratam, you are an equivalent to performing all kind of yajnas. This Payovratam is the most supreme vratam. This is the essence of all the tapasyas. Yena tushyati adhokshajaha. To please adhokshaja, Sriman Narayana, this is the best tapas, the best charity, the best yajnam, that is this Payovratam. O Aditi, while taking care of obeying all kind of rules and regulations, you observe this vratam, what I taught you. Definitely Sriman Narayana will appear to you and then varan asu vidhasyati. He will fulfill all your wishes. Like that, when Kasyapa Prajapati taught that vratam, Aditi started observing the vratam with a concentrated mind, with having control upon other sensory organs and completely engaging her mind upon Vasudeve Samadhaya Chacharaha Payovratam, upon Sriman Narayana, she observed this vratam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching to Parikshin Narendra. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 63rd sloka. Iti te jnanamakkhyatam guhyat guhyataram maya vimrusya etat aseshena yadhechasi tadha kuru. Iti te jnanamakkhyatam guhyat guhyataram maya vimrusya etat aseshena yadhechasi tadha kuru. Sriman Narayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.